For homeowners in Hauppauge, New York, where hot, humid summers and cold, windy winters are part of life, maintaining a comfortable and efficient home can be a challenge. One of the most effective ways to improve both comfort and energy performance is through professional window replacement. While old, drafty, or poorly installed windows can let in moisture and waste energy, modern replacement windows, when installed by experts, help regulate temperature, reduce energy bills, and make your home quieter and cozier all year long. Here's how professional window replacement transforms Hauppauge homes from the inside out. Eliminating drafts and temperature fluctuations. Older windows often develop gaps in their frames or seals over time, letting cold air seep in during the winter and cool air escape during the summer. This leads to uncomfortable rooms and uneven temperatures throughout the home. Professional window replacement ensures a precise fit and airtight seal, eliminating drafts and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Skilled installers use advanced sealing materials and insulation techniques to ensure every window performs as designed. The result? No more chilly spots near the living room windows or stifling heat in upstairs bedrooms, just steady, reliable comfort year-round. Maximizing energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest reasons Hauppauge homeowners upgrade their windows. New, high-performance windows are engineered to keep your home's heating and cooling energy where it belongs, inside. Features such as double or triple pane glass that provides superior insulation, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat back inside during winter and block UV rays during summer, argon or krypton gas fills that act as invisible insulation between panes. When installed by professionals, these features work together seamlessly, helping reduce your HVAC system's workload. This means lower utility bills and a smaller carbon footprint, a win for both your wallet and the environment. Preventing moisture damage and mold. Long Island's weather can be unpredictable, from heavy coastal rain to humid summer days. Poorly installed windows can allow moisture to seep in, leading to condensation, rot, or even mold growth around frames and walls. A professional installation includes proper flashing, caulking, and waterproof barriers that protect your home's interior from water intrusion. This not only preserves indoor air quality but also extends the life of your new windows, ensuring long-term durability and protection. Reducing outside noise. For a quieter home in a busy area like Hauppauge, where traffic, construction, and neighborhood sounds are common, peace and quiet can be hard to come by. Professional window replacement helps reduce noise significantly. Double or triple pane windows with insulated glass and tight seals act as sound barriers, blocking external noises and creating a more serene indoor environment. Whether you work from home or simply value tranquility, new windows make your space noticeably more peaceful. Enhancing curb appeal and property value. Beyond performance, window replacement also enhances your home's curb appeal and resale value. New windows instantly refresh your home's exterior, complementing its architecture and improving its marketability. Professional installers ensure your new windows align perfectly with your home's style, whether it's modern, colonial, or traditional Long Island design. Buyers in Hauppauge appreciate the blend of beauty, comfort, and efficiency that comes with a recently upgraded window system. Long-term savings and reliability. While DIY window installations may seem cost-effective, they often lead to air leaks, inefficiency, and repair expenses down the road. Professional installation ensures your windows perform at their full potential, saving you money through improved efficiency and reduced maintenance. Most reputable Hauppauge window companies also offer product and labor warranties, giving you confidence that your investment is protected for years to come. Final thoughts for Hauppauge homeowners. Professional window replacement is one of the most impactful home improvements available. It not only boosts comfort and reduces energy costs but also protects your home from moisture, enhances its appearance, and adds long-term value. With expertly installed, energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy a home that feels cozier in the winter, cooler in the summer, and more peaceful all year long, all while saving money and improving sustainability. If you're ready to experience the difference, consider partnering with a local Hauppauge window replacement professional who understands Long Island's climate and can tailor the perfect solution for your home.